Welcome to Sugbowine channel. I'm Catherine Seniedo. You can call me Kat, Certified WSET Level 2 for wines and spirits. In this channel, we'll talk all about wines and spirits. Join me as I walk you through the wide selection of wines and spirits available here in the Philippine market. You like the sound of that? Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. For today's episode, I will be sharing to you my newly found Johnnie Walker flavor profile, which is the Johnnie Cream Soda. Yes, you've heard it right. A soda from Johnnie Walker cocktail. You like the sound of that? Please stick around and I'll show you how it's being prepared. I'll also be sharing some recent clips from the World Virtual Tour of the newly opened Johnnie Walker Princess Street in Edinburgh, Scotland. Shout out to all our Diageo Philippines friends for inviting us. Thank you so much. Fun fact, a few days before the virtual tour, Diageo asked me a series of 12 questions on what stuff I like to eat and drink. And based on my answers, they recommended a whiskey drink that is suited to my taste. Apparently, my flavor profile is creamy. So our friends from Diageo sent their Johnnie Walker drink pack that looks like this and asked me to prepare my whiskey drink and toast it during the virtual tour. I love the drink so much that I want to share the recipe to you guys. So here it is. So here are the things that you have to prepare in order to make Johnnie Cream Soda. Your Johnnie Walker Black, white lemonade that I sourced from the Lemonade Company, your orange, thong, your stirrer, jigger, highball glass, and lots of ice. So, here are the 3 zesty, refreshing steps on how to make the Johnnie Cream Soda. First, you get your highball glass, put lots of ice, fill it over your highball glass. Pour 50 ml of Johnnie Walker Black. After that, you mix with white lemonade with 150 ml. So that's 3. 1, 2, there you go. 3. Use your stirrer. Garnish with your orange wedge. Here you go, your Johnnie Cream Soda. This cocktail drink is refreshingly good and it's perfect if when you're at home enjoying your cocktail drink or if you are at the beach. If you are here in Cebu, you can get this Johnnie Walker Black with free highball glass at https://sugbowine.com. Now it's time we go to Scotland. Last October 30, 2019, we went to the construction site of Johnnie Walker Princess Street. So here are some clips.
Edinburgh Castle.
yung Johnnie Walker Tourist Museum. They're still constructing it. Fast forward to today, we're finally ready experiencing the opening virtually of Johnnie Walker Princess Street. So, let's get ready with our cocktails and let's go. Johnnie Walker Princess Street is an 8-story building full of amazing learning experience on how Johnnie Walkers are made. They have a collection of hundreds of different whiskies all around Scotland. They also have an area which they call the Blue Label Studio, where you can rent it out for any kind of events. And another area they call Learning for Life, where they will be bartending classes and any kind of educational classes there. And a 360 rooftop bar, which is so beautiful because you can see the landscape of Edinburgh Castle. And of course, let's not forget the souvenir shop, where you can buy an exclusive gift with laser engraved message so that you can bring it home with you. Sounds interesting, right? So if you want to learn more about Johnnie Walker Princess Street, I will leave the link down below so that you can check it out more. Amazing, right? There's already a Johnnie Walker Museum. When this pandemic is over and we're all free to travel again, I recommend all whiskey lovers out there to come and visit Johnnie Walker Princess Street and of course, enjoy the beautiful Edinburgh, Scotland. But for now, let's enjoy our Johnnie cocktail at home. And of course, Johnnie Walker can only be consumed for adults 18 years old and above. Drink responsibly, guys, and enjoy the pleasure of drinking your Johnnie. Cheers!